Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, we are going to change the sensitivity of mouse on Windows 11. Apart from this sensitivity, there are a lot of other important things which we'll be doing as far as the mouse is concerned on Windows 11. So just do a right click in the start icon and go to settings. Now once you're here, just below system, we have this Bluetooth and devices. So I'll click on that. And here we have devices, printer and scanners, and we have this mouse option here. So I'll click on that. Now the very first option is primary mouse button. So if you want your default click instead of left, if you want to make it right, you can select right. Else it will be always left. Now the mouse pointer speed. This is a very important part. Like while gaming, we need our mouse and the pointer to be running at a pretty fast speed. So you can make it to 15, 16 or up to your convenience. See how exactly your mouse is working. And once you're satisfied with the mouse settings, then you can leave as it is. For me, 10 is absolutely fine, but for gamers, they can go for 15 or 14 or up to their convenience because different mouse have different pointer speed. Now, once you are done, you can also select the roll the mouse wheel to scroll. You can select multiple lines at the time or one screen at the time. My recommendation will be not to change anything as far as the scrolling is concerned. Once you are done, in additional mouse settings, you can do the same thing which we just did here, and from here we can make it faster or make it slower. It is up to you. And from here you can select the normal one. How exactly you want your pointers. If you want that, you can change it. If you want to change the pointer like this colored one or this one, like the black one you just see right here, you can do that. If you want it only the default one, you can do that. You can also change the size of your pointer. So in the screen recording, you might not be able to see my pointer, but it is 5 times bigger than the usual one. So I have just made it bigger. So you can also do that. And once this is done, you can also change the sensitivity of the touchpad. So from here, you can do the pinch to zoom. There are so many things which you can do. You just need to spend time on it and see which works for you and which not. I would not recommend to change anything which you do not know about it. Just only look for the speed and you can change the cursor. I hope you have enjoyed this very short tutorial. Please hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.